So go to your browser and then type there mojedanie.cz. So this is the website of the tax bureau dito sa Czech Republic. So from there, you can see the homepage of the tax bureau. And then we have to log in first using our data box para makuha yung mga information natin from data box to this form. So click the Financially Ujad. This is the login page. Choose the database CRAN key para magamit natin yung data box as login information. And then, ito yung data box website. This is your username and then password. So click log. And then, this is the transfer information. Ito yung mga personal information mo ilalagay dun sa Financially Ujad website. So just click yes. And then, this is the profile page of the tax bureau. So go back to home. And then, click the electronic filings for the financial administration. Ito yung kailangan natin. Click that. Click the electronic forms. And then, you can use the load data from file. If you have some booklets, pwede mo i-click yan. But we need this one, choosing an electronic form, and then under that, choose the personal income tax.